You can earn money using your unused internet hotspot Wi-Fi. Only in this video. This is how you are going to benefit in your unused internet hotspot Wi-Fi. It's just a matter of turning it on, that hotspot on your device. You turn it on, you start earning money. Very simple in this video. Just watch until the end. Don't miss out anything, because I'm going to be showing you each and everything. Welcome to Ashwa Fubi and thanks for watching my videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money online using your hotspot. Yeah, and this is how you can sell your unused internet. You don't need any data. You don't need to be having data or your mobile internet. Just you get your mobile phone, switch your hotspot on. Anywhere you are, maybe you are in train, maybe you are in your classes, maybe you are home, maybe anywhere in the world. Stay tuned to the video, click that subscription button, that like button. Let's drop into the video. This is how you are going to start selling your unused data. Remember, this won't make you rich, but we're having passive income. So this won't make you rich, but at least you can get money out of it. You are going to be paid through PayPal, through Western Union. Those are the only payment methods you are going to be paid. It's working worldwide. Anywhere in the country you are, you can try this out, and I really recommend you to try this out. Before we continue, there are many people who want to learn this hacking WhatsApp numbers. There are very many people who want to hack Wi-Fi passwords. Anywhere you are, you can now hack passwords immediately. Just grab your phone, you see the Wi-Fi, but it is locked. I have tips for you on how you can unlock any Wi-Fi, any public Wi-Fi. I have the video for you. So if you want to know about the hacking WhatsApp numbers, you want to hack any WhatsApp number, you want to hack Wi-Fi passwords, any country you are, just come to my inbox or comment down below. I have a video for you, special offer for you. If you want to hack anybody's WhatsApp, if you want to hack anybody's WhatsApp, if you want to hack any Wi-Fi hotspot, any country you are, just comment down below. I'm going to drop for you a special video for you on those two I have mentioned. Hacking lessons are available online. Any country you are, comment down below or come to my inbox. I have a special video for you on how you can start selling your hotspot online and start making money. Just switching on your hotspot and start earning money. Simple and easy. I'm going to be putting the link down below. If you click on it, that company is giving out money when you turn on your hotspot. Just click in the description or that link you are seeing up there or down there. Just click that link. It's going to take you to the website. You are going to sign in and start earning money through your unused hotspot Wi-Fi or hotspot. So that link, up or down, click on it. You are going to be going to the website I'm sending you to sign up. It's free and easy to register. Like it's free, easy to sign in. Just your email, password. Yeah, you sign in your payment details, login. You'll be ready to go and start earning money, just switching on your unused data. Even if you have data or you don't have data, just connect, start earning money. Yeah, on Ashwa Fubi, we have very many tips on how to make money online. Hacking tips. Follow Ashwa Fubi, click that bell button. Don't miss out any video like this one. Only educative information on this channel. Have a good day.